Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of my video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the US dollar yen made a really strong move up late yesterday, most likely because of the tariff news for China that came out yesterday. 125% tariffs on China is pretty significant. We did go up and we did make a break of structure. So the fact that this is a lower low and then we went up and broke structure makes me think that this is almost definitely either a wave A or a wave 1. That means that this current move down is probably an ABC of 2 or an ABC of B. Now, this move down to me definitely looks like a trend, so I would expect to see it stretch out into some sort of an LE wave corrective ABC or a WXY or something like that, probably down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels potentially before we go up for a wave C or maybe even a wave 3, making this an A, B, C or a 1, 2, 3. Luckily, we trade an ABC and a 1, 2, 3 exactly the same until we get about two-thirds through the wave C or the wave 3. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.